Such a lovely morning today. I always try to keep myself busy, and this walk's helping me to think, helping me to move. I will be vlogging like this every single week. What do you think, guys? And visit places that I never visit and explore places that I never explore. This morning I want to try to make cinematic video about my hike here. I'm gonna use my drone. This is recorded by GoPro. Yeah, and hope you enjoy it, guys. Hope you guys enjoying this day like I do. Smile more and live your life. I really appreciate every single comment, like, really nice reaction from you guys, because whenever I post my new video I always receive lovely reactions, and I thank you for that. And if you like my channel, please subscribe, like, or comment my video. Thank you.